Which state has launched Didi vehicle service for rural women for the safe delivery? Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala. Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Didi vehicle service has been launched by the Women of Rural Livelihood Mission in the tribal dominated district. In which district of Madhya Pradesh? So Jhabwa district of Madhya Pradesh. And Kadaknath chicken is famous in Jhabwa district. That means Jhabwa district is famous for the chicken, Kadaknath chicken. And this vehicle service has been launched for the rural women for the safe delivery and for the pregnant rural women in the tribal area. And Lalji Tandon is the governor, and Chief Minister Siraj Singh Chauhan is the Chief Minister, and Lalji Tandon is the governor for this same. And Madhya Pradesh government has launched many schemes such as Jeevan Amrit Yojana, Charan Paduka आपके द्वारा applied recently by the Madhya Pradesh. And Jeevan Amrit Yojana to boost the immunity of the people. Jeevan Shakti Yojana, through this scheme, Jeevan Shakti scheme, women will prepare the masks and they will get the 11 rupee for each mask. And Uda Kalyan Yojana for the Anganwadi workers to give the 50 lakh insurance. And one more which was launched recently, Charan Paduka. Charan Paduka for what? To provide the shoes and slipper to migrant workers walking to them barefoots in order to reduce their pain. And in Madhya Pradesh, you will find Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Kana National Park, Madhav National Park, Satpura, Panna. It is and Varsha Wildlife Sanctuary, Kerala Wildlife Sanctuary, Bori Wildlife Sanctuary. You will also find in Madhya Pradesh. Where will you find the famous Konark Sun Temple? So you will find the Konark Temple in Bhubaneswar, which is the capital of Odisha. Why I am asking you this question? Because recently by the central government a scheme has been launched for complete solution of the Konark Sun Temple as well as Konark town in Odisha. And this has been launched to develop the historical Sun Temple town of Konark as a Suryanagari. And for this, the government of India will provide the 100% central financial assistance support of 25 crore through the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. And the Konark Temple is also called the Black Pagoda. And in 10 rupee of note, you will find the image of the Konark Sun Temple. And Konark Sun Temple was built in the 13th of century by the King Narsimdev first. And in Bhubaneswar, the first robot restaurant was also opened in Bhubaneswar, and name of that robot is called Champa and Chameli. So the name of that robot is Champa and Chameli, where the first robot restaurant has been opened in Bhubaneswar. And Navin Patnaik is the Prime Minister, Gansila is the Governor of the Odisha, and Odisha has launched many schemes such as Madhu apps to help the school students, Mo Jeevan programs, and Poti scheme, something like that. A scheme is launched by the state government of Odisha. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has won the Israeli national election, securing a record of which terms in office. So basically, the question means that he has become the Prime Minister of Israel for which time? So he has become Prime Minister for the fifth time. Correct answer is fifth. And Israel capital is Jerusalem, and the name of that Parliament of Israel is called Knesset, Knesset. And recently, Israel has named one of the street after the name of Rabindranath Tagore because it was the 159th birthday on 7th of May, and in the place of Tel Aviv it was launched. And there is a exercise called Jennifer Cobra. It's an exercise between Israel and USA. And here the correct answer, he has become the Prime Minister for the fifth time. Two Indians named Savita Kumari and Ankit Sisodia has been suspended by NADA, that means National Anti-Doping Agency. He belongs to which sport? So he belongs to powerlifter. Both are powerlifter, and both have been suspended by the National Anti-Doping Agency for violating the anti-doping rules. And who is the Director General of NADA? It's Naveen Agarwal. And NADA was established by the Government of India with the objective of acting as an independent anti-doping organization for India, having a vision of DOP-free test. And NADA has also banned weightlifter Seema, javelin thrower Amit Dahiya, and one more, a sprinter Jhulma Khatun, has recently banned by the NADA. And Sunil Shetty has become the new brand ambassador for the NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency. And talking about the WADA, that means the World Anti-Doping Agency headquarters, you will find in the Montreal in Canada. And here the correct answer is powerlifter. Who will take charge as the chairman of WHO World Health Organization Executive Board? World Health Organization headquarters you will find in Geneva in Switzerland. It is established on 7th of April 1948. And who is the Director General for the WHO World Health Organization? It's Tedros Adhanom from the Ethiopia, and capital of Ethiopia is Addis Ababa. And here the correct answer is Dr. Harshvardhan. So he will take charge as the chairman for the WHO World Health Organization Executive Board, Dr. Harshvardhan, and he comes under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Harshvardhan, will take charge the chairman of WHO, and it has a 34-member executive board. And he will replace the Dr. Hiroki Nakatani of Japan. And here the correct answer is Dr. Harshvardhan, and S. J. Shankar comes under the Ministry of External Affairs. Nirmala Sitharaman comes under the Ministry of Finance, and Dr. and Sadanand Gowda comes under the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer Ministry, and has the credency Dr. Harshvardhan. Which state government has launched Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyay Yojana? So Kisan Nyay Yojana has been launched by the Chhattisgarh government. So Chhattisgarh government has launched the Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyay Yojana, and this was launched on the occasion of death anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. And through this scheme, it is expected to benefit over 1.87 million farmers. So here the correct answer is Chhattisgarh government, and Bhupesh Bagal is the chief minister for the same, and Anusuya Uke is the governor of Chhattisgarh. And government by the Chhattisgarh government has also launched the C-Ghat apps for the doorstep delivery of essential commodity during this lockdown, and the government has started liquor home delivery, and it has become the first to do this. And in Chhattisgarh, you will find the Indravati National Park, Kangarville National Park, Guru Ghasidas National Park, Achnakar and Sita Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary you will also find in Chhattisgarh. And here the correct answer is Chhattisgarh government. National Anti-Terrorism Day is observed on which of date? So Anti-Terrorism Day 2020 is observed on 21st of May, and it is observed every year in India. And this day marks the death anniversary of India's Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi on 21st of May 1991. And he was the 7th Prime Minister of India, and he was killed in Tamil Nadu by the LTT group. It's a terrorist group. So at the great answer 21st May is celebrated as a anti-terrorism day in India, and 20 August is celebrated as Sadbhavna Divas because of the birthday of Rajiv Gandhi. 20 August is celebrated as Sadbhavna Divas. The United Nations celebrated International Day for Biological Diversity on which date every year? Correct answer is 22nd of May. So United Nations celebrate International Day for Biological Diversity on 22nd of May every year. For what? To raise the awareness about the issue of significant reduction in biological activity diversity due to the certain human activities. And what's the theme for this same? It's our solution are in nature is the theme for biological diversity. And United Nations established on 24 October 1945, and headquarters you will find in New York in USA. And United Nations Council is composed of the 15 members. 5 are permanent and 10 are non-permanent. So 5 permanent members are China, France, Russia, UK, USA. India is not a permanent member of United Nations. And who is the Secretary General for the United Nations? It's Antonio Guterres. And Antonio Guterres from which country? From Portugal, and Portugal capital is Lisbon. And here the correct answer is 22nd of May is celebrated as International Day for Biological Diversity by the United Nations. The modified Uj multi-purpose project is located on river Uj. Uj is one of the main tributary of which river? Here the correct answer is Ravi. So Uj is a tributary of Ravi river, and on Ravi river recently there was a bridge that was constructed that will connect the Kosovo and Conclave to the rest of country. And Ravi the tributary of Indus river also. And this Uj bridge will come up in which district of Jammu Kashmir? So it will come up in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir. And here the correct answer is Ravi river, which is the main tributary for the Uj.